as we roll down this unfamiliar road. And although this wave is stringing us along, just know you're not alone, 'cause I'm gonna make this place your home.
We made it. How's everybody feeling after, how do you feel after day one?
Tired.
Tired.
Time to go home yet?
How do you feel after day one?
Very tired.
Very tired. Jordie?
Tired.
Tired.
It's gonna be a lot of work.
I feel tired too. It's like, what, 8 o'clock? We're going to bed.
It might drag you down. You get lost, you can always be found.
Jordie, so this is morning 2. We are at Thrasher's Cove. You can look around here and everything's looking pretty wet. Jordie, how was your night?
Cold, or it was torrential downpour.
It was raining. We woke up at about 11:30 p.m. because we went to bed at 8:30. Woke up at 11:30, pouring rain. Poor Jay and Joe, their tent was leaking. I was like, why is their light on? Their poor tent was leaking, and you know what? The sun's coming out though. Sun's out. Kinda. And we're going to camper today.
Morning of day 2.
It's morning of day 2. We feel sweaty.
Climbed up the hill at Thrashers.
We're still not up it.
What?
No! Jordie! You alright?
He's here, Vanessa. And he's not starving.
Settle down, it'll all be clear.
We're at Campus Bay right now. Nice night. We woke up this morning with pouring rain all night, but now it's good. Got nice and sweaty on the trail.
It dried up.
Dried up. I almost died. Fell off a log. Backwards, turtled. So that was scary.
She's alright.
I'm alright. I'm alright. A little banged up.
But yeah.
Brie also fell.
Yeah.
We also fell.
Day 2 in the books. Give her, Sarah.
He's like, oh, okay, too. Oh my god, that's disgusting!
That face.
Oh god.
Got her.
Hello. We're back. What is it, Jordie? Day 3?
Yeah.
So it's day 3. It's the day of ladders, but we haven't really got to them yet.
This is our view.
This is our view. It's quite foggy.
Very foggy. Kind of smells back here. I think someone might have.
It does smell back here. I think I've been here before and I dropped my granola bar on the ground and then I ate it anyways.
Ugh.
And it smelled like pee then too. Don't tell anyone that.
Too bad it's in the video.
Yeah, day's going pretty good.
Yeah. Making time. Gonna make it to Walbrand tonight.
Yeah. We've split up from the group. We're going in 2s today just because we've got lots of ladders. Hopefully they're all right back there.
Yeah.
I'm sure we'll see this later. We are worried about you.
Yeah. We are worried. We're sorry.
We are sorry.
We're sorry.
Next time we'll go in groups of 3s.
Yeah.
We didn't really think it through.
But after today, it's back to the group team. Back to the team. And,
Yeah, team hikes after this.
For the rest of the way. Yeah.
All right, bye, Mom.
Bye, Mom.
Okay, ready?
The garden was blessed by the gods of me and you. We headed westward to find ourselves some truth.
Oh my god.
What you waiting for? No, what you waiting for?
Oh, the mud
We counted those
and the sweat and the mud and the mud. The new Logan's Creek suspension bridge that will be open next year.
Look down so you can tell how far it is. Look at the
Oh
old
my
bridge.
god.
Look at the old bridge.
That
Point at the old bridge.
I'm going to, and then that's the old bridge. Oh my god. Oh, I'd rather do the ladders. Alright, going over the bridge now. If you shake it, I swear to God. Oh my god, I must fell. Ah. Oh my god, I hate this so much. Look. Oh my god. Oh my god, I almost fell because I'm not fucking paying attention. Are you wobbling the bridge? Please stop it! Please stop it right now! It's not funny! I'm gonna kill you! Don't do it! Oh my god, oh my god. I hate it, I hate it, I hate it! Ah! Oh my god, the net is open there. Oh my god. Jordan, still Lizzie, stop shaking it right now! Oh my god. This is embarrassing that my GoPro's on right now. Oh god.
Blame it on me. When I lose control and the veils overused, blame it.
Alright, so today we're at Walbran Creek right now. Walbran.
Yeah.
It's a nice day. We got here a little bit earlier, went for a swim. Jumped to the old head.
Over there.
Over there. We saw a whale already.
Yeah.
That's nice.
Swim was very refreshing.
How was the hike today, Jordan?
It was hard work, but it wasn't too bad. And now we got the hard part over with. Got the 3 creeks over with, which is a lot of ladders. Now it's smooth sailing from here.
Smooth sailing.
Money.
I fell down again.
Sarah fell down, but she's alright.
I hurt my knee. I'm fine.
And yeah, and we'll see you.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
Blame it on me.
And there's that Sarah.
When I lose control, I know. Blame it on me. What you
We are heading to Cribs Creek today. Jordie's putting on his sunscreen. Oh, Jordie, hold it and show them my bruise. Them. Like I have anyone watching it.
Look at that shit.
Woo! And your other leg. I mean, the other leg's not good either, but it's not as bad. See you at Cribs.
Hello.
Hey Jordie, say hi. Hi. We just crossed the river. Carmana. Opted out of the cable car. We are at high tide. Got a little wet. Look at all of these mussels. They look so yummy. Okay, Jordie. Let's see the float. Let's see the float that Jay worked so hard on, and then you just all you had to do was do our name. Let's see.
Coburn, Fraser, Bonez, Lice.
Who the hell is Lice, Jordan?
Not me.
You had one job. Yeah. We're on that page. We're in between that.
Okay. You ready, Jay? Okay. Carmana Point, kilometer 37. Approximate check-in time, 2.5 to 3 hours. We'll aim for 3.
Running down to the riptide, taken away to the dark side. I wanna be your left-hand man. I love you when you're singing.
All right, so we have lies in here. We added an N just because Jordie spelled her name wrong.
To make it whole.
We didn't want to put lice up there, so we're putting lice in.
I'm excited to be done.
License in the coverts. Looks good.
I can't have it any other way.
Hey, jump!
Okay, ready? Woo! What do you think?
I'm king of the world!
Got some ladders. Hey, Joe! Carol, what did you have?
Grilled cheese with extra ketchup.
Guys.
Lane cod. Never been so satiated.
We got wine! We're getting drunk tonight.
Swear she's destined for the screen. Closest thing to Michelle Pfeiffer that you've ever seen. Oh, lady, running down to the riptide, taken away to the dark side. I wanna be your left-hand man. I love you. It's raining.
We're at Susiet Falls. It's day 6. It rained a crap ton on us last night. We got in and it just started pissing rain. So we were wet.
Great night.
Awful night. But you know what? Hopefully the sun comes out. We're at Susiet here.
Taken away to the dark side. I wanna be your